guys, we have this Dodge Charger. It was a crank no start, so we did a diagnose, and then it came up to it being a bad ABS module. We got a new one from the dealer, VIN matched it, we replaced it, and then it was still getting the no crank no start. The reason we replaced the ABS module was because there's no communication with the ABS and the PCM. So what we did another diagnose, and we came to find out that the fuel pump had been swapped with an AutoZone fuel pump. So what we did is we went ahead and take this one out, the old one, put a new one, OEM, Mopar, and now she's starting right up. Has an exhaust leak due to gaskets from the headers, paper ones.